Cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just a little note here. I've got the head off the engine. I will need to remove the inspection plate on the side because a couple of the lifters became dislodged when I pulled the push rods out. I've given it all a gentle coating in duck oil. That's the head gasket that come off of the car. It's a pay-en head gasket, and you can clearly see where it blew between 2 and 3. It is stamped on somewhere, pay-en. I did find it. I think it's on the other side. It doesn't look that old actually. You can still clearly see the colour of the copper. Now I've just given this header a very quick clean down. Don't intend going too far with it, but I've noticed a ring there, so I'm assuming this has got hardened valve seats. So yes. Quick update here, the surface of the block and the surface of the head have now been stoned, ready for the new gasket. Right, got the head back on now, got the rocker shaft on as well. I've had a few issues though. The tappet still needs setting, by the way. I've had a few issues, one being a push rod dislodged the follower, so I've had to remove the inspection plate from the side of the engine, which was easier said than done because I cannot separate the exhaust from the exhaust manifold, so I've had to work in that gap. You can see the two that separated, that fell out. The only two that's clean. So I'm just waiting for a gasket for that. They still need setting. I need 2 copper washers for that, because it didn't have any on before. So hopefully tomorrow we should get her going again. I'll just add as well, I did have it confirmed the other day that this engine was rebuilt by the previous owner. Which I kind of suspected that it had been rebuilt at some point, looking at the general condition of the engine and looking on the inside, suggests it's had work done as well. This is just quickly showing the new gaskets that have been made. That's for the thermostat housing. Another one there for the breather tube. And then the breather tube original one completely perished. And that's the... yes. That's the side inspection plate gasket, and also the thermostat housing. We put some new hoses on as well. Some of these are looking rather perished, especially that one. So I've got some new ones to go on there.
Very much into sports cars, but believe it or not, they did make a few saloon cars. Early on, the YB and so others. Second. Today, haven't we? And this is the later, coming towards the end, this is the Defender. This is the 110 inch, something like that. And you can buy them in trunk form. I noticed this one's got a decab on it for people like the electricity board that went out, took 2 or 3 men to do a job that only one man did, but they still took 2 or 3. And they were a lovely work truck, really were. Diesel engine, and very, very nice. It's kept nice, it's in good nick. God bless you, young man. Don't good polishing it. No, good polishing it. By the way, you can see I did windscreen with that lot, didn't it? Look at that, isn't that lovely? Now,